Okay, so this is how you merge in the gulp refactor process branch. It's the gulp slash template PHP refactor branch. So we're going to say git branch example yay. This is the branch that we're going to merge into. Yay. Git merge. What is it? Gulp. There it is. So do this, and you're going to get some conflicts with the CSS for sure. And then let's go check over here what the conflicts are. Alright, so you can ignore these, they're going to get redone. Just accept them, get them out of there. This one, that's fine, we want that to be the result. And this one, so this one should pretty much just be copy everything. So this is over here is our current branch off of master, and then this is the gulp branch. So we want the whole gulp branch over here. All of the major functions have been refactored from the template.php into their own standalone files, which is then pulled in up here dynamically. So this file should be mostly empty. There's still these few functions over here on the right sitting in here, and I'm not sure if they're left here on purpose, but anyway, you should just merge this whole thing over. I'm just showing you here so you can kind of see what's going on. But then, if you've made changes to any of the core hooks, you should compare those against the broken out files. So like I did over here, I just updated this branch with the latest changes from master by copying the functions into their own standalone files. Here's the file that I put it into, and then you can just compare right here and then go through and see that it is the same. I mean, this shouldn't be here because this is, so that's fine. You can see there's no changes now. There's the comment. But if you've made changes to any of the template hooks, like create process page or whatever, then you should check here to make sure that they're merged in, right? So that's merging in template. Should be just like that, I think. Then what you want to do is, after you've done that, well, you can figure that out. So here then you need to run gulp, but I should say, oh, I thought gulp wouldn't be installed. Anyway, if you haven't run gulp yet, you're going to need to do this. You're going to tell it to use node, which version, so you're doing that. And then you need to do npm install. And that will install all the stuff that gulp needs to run. So then you should do gulp. Now, most of the conversions to the Sass have already been done, but I've got some that have added to my code since then, or that have been in master since then. So like, for example, there's these instances of transition that haven't been converted over yet, and this one instance of opacity. So what you just do is go over to the code and go to the Sass folder, search for the mixin, which is transition plus transition parentheses, and then you'll see all the instances here. And then you just replace them with the regular CSS equivalents because gulp now handles converting them into their multiple browser versions. So then after you do that, then these errors should disappear and everything should be hunky-dory.